We are down here at the Cowlitz River. I came down here late last night, did some glow balling. Didn't catch nothing. Hooked into one this morning. Lost it. Seen a couple others, or seen one other hooked into, and I believe as I was walking out to my truck to meet up with my cousin, I seen one splashing around down there. I think they got it. So hopefully some, it was real slow this morning. Hopefully some came in. So we're gonna hit it up in the evening here. I'm waiting for David right now to pull up. He is en route. He should be almost here, so stay tuned. Hopefully we get some steelhead. All right, so he just got here. It's starting to rain. Of course, it's been kind of sprinkling all day anyway, so but hopefully we don't get too soaked. Probably will. Heading on down the trail.
No, I got off.
Nice fish.
Mm-hmm. Oh, look at the tail on that thing, dude.
Yeah, we're like 10 to a pounder.
Oh, he got off. No. Shit. Whew. He's got one down there. They got off.